In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the PHP memory limit in WordPress while using a Godaddy server. This can be particularly helpful if you're encountering errors due to memory limitations, which can often happen with resource-intensive plugins or themes. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to bump up that limit, either by using a cPanel hosting environment or Godaddy's managed WordPress hosting. Let's dive in. First, let's establish what our current PHP memory limit is. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to Tools, then Site Health. Within the Site Health section, click on Info and then move to the Server tab. Here you'll be able to see the current PHP memory limit setting. Note down this value so that we can compare it later after making the changes. Now let's say you're using Godaddy's cPanel hosting. Start by logging into your Godaddy account and going to My Products, then Web Hosting, and selecting Manage. This will take you to the cPanel. Here, you'll want to open the File Manager. Once inside the File Manager, locate your site's root folder, usually named public.html. In this folder, find the file named wp-config.php and open it for editing. Now, scroll through the file until you find the line that says something akin to define. Above this line, you'll want to add the following code: define wp memory limit 256M. This line of code will increase your PHP memory limit to 256 megabytes, a common setting for many sites needing a bit more room to breathe. Once you've added that line, make sure to save the file, then reload your website to ensure all changes have been applied. For those who are using Godaddy's managed WordPress hosting, don't worry, the process is slightly different, but just as simple. Head over to your Godaddy dashboard once again, navigate to My Products, then choose Managed WordPress, and from there, access the settings. Click on File Manager within this section. Much like the previous method, open the wp-config.php file for editing. Add the same line of code just before the "that's all" stop editing comment at the bottom. Save your changes and refresh your site to implement the increase. Once you have made these changes, it's crucial to verify that the settings have taken effect. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and repeat the process of checking under Tools, Site Health, Info, and then Server. You should see your PHP memory limit now reflecting the new value, which confirms that the adjustment has been successful. Remember, adjusting server settings should be done with caution. If you're not sure about something, consult your hosting provider or a professional. Often, small adjustments can have significant impacts on your website's performance and stability. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.